Hey, hey, hey. Everybody, happy Tuesday. Excuse my voice. Um, Hope everybody had a great weekend again. Um, I appreciate all of my veterans that have served to protect their country. Um, Hope you felt joy, peace, rest within yourself. And so, with that being said, hello, everybody. This is LashawnTerry here. If you're new, I welcome you. Take a seat, look around. I do have a playlist where you can see if there is something other than fragrances that you want to see. Also, welcome to all of my longtime subscribers. I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody's time because time is something that you cannot get back, and I don't want to waste yours. So as you can see here, I got me a Daukens Arome. This was on her third restock that I was able to go in and get some things that I did not get in the first restock, and that sold out very quickly in the second restock. And she also added new oils in the third restock. So let's get into this, but before we do, let's catch this intro. Okay, so we are back. These are the products that I bought from her. I actually bought two lotions, but they are in the same scent, so there was no need for me to put up the second box. So we're going to start off with, I was so mad that I could not get this scent on her first drop because I woke up about 45 minutes after the first drop, after the initial drop, her spring summer drop, and it was sold out. I was only able to get it in the perfume spray, I believe. Yeah, I was only able to get it in the perfume spray. It only comes in the lotion and the perfume spray. I believe she added it to the perfume as well, to the straight perfume. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But this was all I really needed, after my first couple of drops. By this time, when she did her spring summer drop, I was probably already 3-4 orders in by then. And so I need to save some of my money. So the first one we're going to go with, because I'm the most excited about, is the lotion. And it is her Flora. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with my camera, why it's not focusing in, but it's the it's the fruits and floors. That is so aggravating to me. Hold on. Okay, there it goes. Apparently, I got to play around with these settings on my phone, but here it goes. You can see a little bit fruits and floors. So let's take this out the box. Here we are. As you can see, it is a 10 ounce. I believe her lotions are $38. If I'm not mistaken, $37.99, $38. Let's see. So her fruits and floors is apricot peach freesia. I absolutely love this scent because I love peach. And the peach is very strong on her fruits and floors. In the perfume spray anyways. and is very much prominent in the body lotion as well. It just smells so good, y'all. I absolutely love her body lotions. They are very moisturizing. Ooh, about to fall out. They are very moisturizing. And they are not heavy. They're creamy, very creamy. And it gets the job done. It's a very strong scent. Yeah, that smells so good. I do like the pumps on these as well. And so I'm not going to go all into this because of the simple fact that I do have an initial video up of my first impressions and her spring summer drop, as well as when I got the perfume sprays that she sent out about a month or so before the drop. And so this is a perfume spray. Let me move this over. Again, I got another one in the Fruits and Floors in the perfume spray because I just don't want to be without, and you can spray a lot of this spray, especially if it's one of your favorites. So that is that. Y'all have seen that before because I was able to get the spray in my initial order. So this is a new one that I raved about because I got it in the spray, the perfume spray. I got the deluxe, the deluxe sample I got in the spray, and I really liked it. And I like this so much. Look at that. Look at that. It's gone. I used that up when I was at my first son's graduation. I sprayed myself down with this. This is how much I love Candy and Neroli. So when I saw that she did an oil, I jumped on it. I should have gotten a perfume too, but I didn't. At that point, I had spent way too much money on other drops and buying from other companies. So I said, well, I got the oil. I can wait to get the perfume. And here's the oil. And it's lemon, cotton candy, and neroli. And when I say I never smelled the Barbados Sundays, but when I tell you she put her foot in this, and it smells so good. You can just smell the cotton candy in this. You can smell the lemon. It's just like a lemon, a fresh lemon cotton candy, but the cotton candy is toning down the lemon and also probably the neroli, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, because I believe I used to put in my mist the neroli essential oil, and it's a citrus. I'm thinking it's an orange citrus, but I do know it's a citrus, I think. But yeah, I went ahead and I got the oil. You can mix this with pink cotton because it has the cotton candy in it, and she put Battle of the Cotton Candies, and I love both of them. They have two different totally scents. They're not the same. Pink cotton is fresh, where this is more of a citrus cotton candy. Two totally different. So it came today, and I do believe she's still having her Memorial Day sale. I believe it's 30%, if I'm not mistaken. So if you're looking to get in on her stuff on a sale, this will be your time to get it for the Memorial Day sale. And so again, this is going to be the end of this video. I'm not going to drag it out because I already have videos on these scents. I just was able to get the lotion, and she actually put out 2 of the new spring summer scents in the oil, but I can't remember which one it was. I just know Candy and Neroli was in the oil on the second restock. So I'm glad that she did that. I think some ladies was asking for, some of these scents in different form, like the oil or the perfume, the extrait perfume. I wish she would do fruits and florals in an oil. And an extrait perfume. I'm hoping that she do fruits and florals in an oil, because I need the whole set, y'all. I need the whole set. So with that being said, I'm gonna get up out of here, and I will be coming with a new series where I dropped. Did I drop? I think I dropped one. Let me see. So yes, I dropped 2. I'm doing a summertime fruity series, and kind of leaning away from some of the, I don't know, I guess fall scents or whatever, trying to do more fruit. So I'm tapping into my fruity scents. As you can see on here, I have a summertime fruity layering combinations with oils and body creams and perfumes. And then this one is doing lemon, doing a just a video of all of the zesty lemons and gourmands in my repertoire right now. So that is something that I'm starting to get on, is just showcasing more of the fruity scents right now, whether it's in combos or layering, and with perfumes and creams and body oils that I have. I'm also going to be doing a perfume tray that I put together for the week. For me, it's a long process picking out my scents. I'll sometimes be sitting here for 30 minutes to an hour trying to figure out what I want to smell like, and especially if I have not tested the scents I was thinking about layering together. So not only sitting here figuring out what I want to put on and how I want to layer them, but just making sure that they work for what I want at the time. So I will be doing perfume trays for the week, with combos and things of that nature. So check out for that. But the lemon one just loaded today, and the summertime fruity came up yesterday. So go check it out. Go check it out. I got a lot of comparisons here. I hope y'all like my graphics that I'm doing as well on my videos. I just think they're fun, and they just go with what I'm when it comes to my scents and the fragrances and stuff that I like or whatever. So go and check it out, and I'll see y'all on the other side. Peace.